Dutch mastery. 5 riveting moments in 60 seconds. First, the Dutch Golden Age, 17th century. Dive into the Dutch Golden Age, where prosperity shines through art and architecture. Second, the Tulip Mania, 1637. Then, Tulip Mania, a frenzy turning flowers into fortunes, then disappearing like dew. Third, the Diary of Anne Frank, 1942-1944. Next, Anne Frank's voice, a beacon of hope and humanity in the darkness of war. Fourth, the Dutch resistance in World War II cities. Discover the Dutch resistance, espionage, and bravery against oppression. Fifth, the Delta Works, completed in 1997. Finally, the Delta Works, a testament to Dutch ingenuity